Hello everybody, today we make an eggplant pizza. We gotta cut the eggplant slice like this. Let's start the fry. Okay, now we flip it on the other side. Okay, look how beautiful. Nice. Okay, now this is ready. Turn the gas off and let's take out. Okay, now this is my homemade tomato sauce and this is my homemade oregano. And we put oregano on my sauce. Okay, and we give a nice turn. Got this eggplant pizza, it gotta come with beautiful. Okay, now each one you gotta have a little sauce. The same like you make homemade pizza. Okay? And we put like this. Okay, now I got over here, I got this 6-piece and I use pecorino cheese and this like that, the same way you make a pizza. Now we use mozzarella and we put it right over here, each one, the mozzarella. Everybody like a different pizza, you know, everybody know already. And this one I want to make with the pepperoni. And we put one slice over here, one over here, and one over here. And look how beautiful it look. Okay, now we got a portobello mushroom. I saute already. And let's put it right over here, like this. Okay, now we got a fresh iris. And we put it right over here, like this. Look how beautiful it look. Oh, nice. I like that. Olive. Look beautiful. I got 2 more and we want to use goat cheese and my fig from my garden. I got the oven at 400 degrees. Let's put in the oven. Okay, let's close. And this is gonna come out beautiful. Ooh. Gotta take a picture. Okay, look how beautiful it look. Now I wanna test one. And I wanna test this one. I got a little goat cheese and the fig. And I got a balsamic vinegar. And we put, look at that, so beautiful. Oh, I like a balsamic vinegar. Really good. And now, it's the time of the test. Delicious.
Go ahead.
I hope everybody like this recipe. It's really delicious. It's so good. Thank you very much and we see next time.